Hi everyone! Today we're gonna learn about an amazing person named Philo Farnsworth and how he helped create something we all love, television. Philo Farnsworth was born in 1906 in a farm in Utah. Even as a kid, he loved to learn about science, how things work. When Philo was just 14 years old, he came up with a big idea. He wanted to send pictures through the air using electricity. That was the start of now called television. Philo's idea, break a picture into lots of tiny pieces, kind of like a puzzle. And he would send those pieces through the air, put them back together on a screen. That way, people could see the picture from far away. In 1927, Philo was just 21 years old. He made the first working television. It could show a simple, straight line. It wasn't a full picture yet, but it was a huge step forward. It was called the image detector, and it worked focusing light from a scene onto a material that released electrons. The precision of the release electrons scanned one line at a time, left to right, from top to bottom. The scan was then converted into radio waves and transmitted to a receiver, where a cathode ray tube created the original picture by lighting up in the places the scan would tell it to. After that, Philo kept working to make television better. Soon people could watch shows and movies right in their living rooms. Can you imagine a world without TV? Philo's design was revolutionary because it was entirely electronic, like earlier mechanical television systems. This innovation laid the groundwork for modern TV. Thanks to big ideas, now we have TVs, so movies, cartoons, and even video games. These inventions changed how we learn and have fun. Isn't it amazing how one person's idea can change the world? Next time you watch your favorite show, remember to thank my great-grandfather, Philo Farnsworth, for making it all possible. Thanks for watching.